Hi everyone, I am Kaushik Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the measures of central tendency. In my last video, I tried to find mean, median, mode from ungrouped data. But in today's video, I will show you how do you calculate mean, median and mode from group data. So let's get started. So first, we made a table. Okay. So score scores 50 to 54, 45 to 49, 40 to 44, 35, 39, 30 to 34, 25 to 29, 20 to 24 and 15 to 19. Next frequency 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 4, 2. And in total number of frequencies is 30. Okay, so next we are going to calculate the capital X. Capital X represent the midpoint of the score. So rules of calculate midpoint is UL plus LL divided by 2. That's mean 50 plus 54 divided by 2 is 52. And similarly 45 plus 49 divided by 2 is 47. Okay. So midpoint 52, 47, 42, 37, 32, 27, 22 and 17. Okay, next we are going to calculate the x dash. So how can we calculate x dash? Rules of calculation x dash is capital X minus assume mean by I. Like here the capital X is 52 or assume mean is 32 and I is 5. Okay, so 52 minus 32 divided by 5 is equal to 4. And similarly in here capital X is 70 and assume is 32 minus divided by 5 is minus 3. Okay, but there is a simple process. Highest frequency 0 and score উপরের দিকে +1 +2 +3 and +4 and downward -1 -2 and -3. Okay, then next we calculate fx dash, f into x dash. Okay, so +4 into 2 8, similarly 3 into 3 9, 8 5 0, -3 -8 and -6. Okay, now we can talk about the formula. Mean, median, mode for the group data can be computed easily with the help of the following formulas. Mean, assume mean plus summation fx dash by n into I. Okay, so median L plus n by 2 minus capital F by small f into I, and mode 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Okay, let's try to calculate mean. And formula of mean, am plus summation fx dash by n into I. So am হচ্ছে assume mean, I class interval, frequency হচ্ছে respective frequency of mid value আর n হচ্ছে total number of frequency. Okay, then am হচ্ছে 32 and summation fx, let's calculate summation fx 8 9 17 and 30 আর নিচে হচ্ছে 17. তো 30 minus 17 is 13. তো 13 by n 30 and I 5. Okay, so 32 plus 13 into 5, 65 divided by 30. 32 plus 65 divided by 30 is 2.16, and 32 plus 2.16 is 34.16. Okay, so let's calculate the median. Okay, so formula of median: L plus n by 2 minus capital F by small f into I. Okay, so what is L? L exact lower limit of the median class. F হচ্ছে total of all frequencies before the median class, আর F হচ্ছে কি frequency of the median class. তো L হচ্ছে 30 lower limit is 29.5 plus n হচ্ছে 30 divided by 2 minus capital F, total of median class is total 9 divided by small f is 7 into I 5. So 29.5 plus 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 minus 9 by 7 into 5. So 29.5 plus 15 minus 9 is 6 by 7 into 5. 29.5 plus 6 into 5 is 30. 30 by 7. 29.5, 30 divided by 7 is 4.28 equal to 33.78. Okay, so now we are calculate mode. So mode MO, 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So 3 into 33.78 minus 2 into 34.16 equal to 3 into 33.78 is 101.34 minus 2 into 34.16 is 68.38 minus 33.02. Okay, so here is the answer of mean 34.16, answer of median 33.78, and answer of mode is 33.02. Dear students, in this video we learn how can we calculate mean, median, mode from group data. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.